Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Fragoso. Fragoso joined our funded trade program last October on the 7th and hit his first 10% target in the beginning of December, on the 1st of December actually. Let's have a look at his equity line. So we can see quite a good start for him. He was up almost by 5% on his account just 7 days after joining our program. Then something happened and he went back to the initial account balance. But here we can see from the 19th of December he went one way up slowly towards his first 10% target. So congratulations and very well done. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.15% with a monthly return of 5.09% with a drawdown of 5.66%. Of course, we are talking about a floating drawdown here. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So, 309 position opened, 309 trades with a profitability rate of 69%, so almost 70% of winning rate. Very good, very well done. An average win of 15 pips and an average loss of 21 pips. Okay, so a look at best and worst trade. So, best trade was on the 14th of October. He gained $497 with 149 pips. Very good. The next day, on the 15th of October, he lost $565 with 170 pips altogether. Okay, let's have a look at the history of his account. Let's go back to the first page. So here, when he first hit his, when he first joined our company on the 7th of October, he was going full lot on the beginning. Then what happened? Let's have a look. Then he started to go 0.20, 15, went back to 0.5, 0.25. So it was changing a bit among the lot size that was available for it. Maybe it was just splitting each trade in two positions. Who knows? Maybe, yeah. And I just wanted to check the page when he hit the target. Where is this? Okay, doesn't seem I can easily find it, but anyways, Fragoso is now keep trading with us at the moment and is managing a $30,000 account. Let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most for his more than 300 trades. And yes, definitely we can see here 74 position opened on the pound New Zealand. He gained 448 pips, resulting in $810 gained. Very good. Here we can see also 40 positions opened on the pound dollar. So altogether he lost 23 pips, but he gained $508. Okay, let's have a look also at the negatives. Oh, 1 second. I want to mention also here this two big number we can see. So 21 position opened on the euro yen. He gained almost $500 on this one, and 17 trades on the euro pound where he gained $752. So very good, very well done. From here we can see a lot of green on his positions, on his trades. With just few exceptions, 3 actually. So here, 31 position open on the euro dollar. He lost altogether $771. And here, 14 position on the dollar yen. He lost $235. Let's have a look at the monthly gain. So yeah, we can see on average he kept a monthly gain of 4%. We see October 4.38, 4.4 for November, and for now we have December 4.38. 18%. Okay, Fragoso, very well done. Congratulations on your first target, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.